What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on POLYGON MATIC. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and I will show you my technical analysis and what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when we finished all 5 waves on this smaller scale, and I've told you that we have to have a retracement, and we have to hit at least 0.3 to 0.5 levels, and potentially we might hit even 0.618, 0.65. It is a golden pocket. But instead of this, we have, as you can see, very good reaction from 0.5 level, and we hit next higher high, higher than this previous top. And then we fell down to this golden pocket, but it is completely irrelevant to this movement because I projected from this bottom to this top for this internal movement. And basically it is 2 possibilities. One of these is I was wrong with this triangle, and the second one is that we have more algo trades with the Polygon during last several sessions. So, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now, we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.48 trillion. It is a 0.09% increase over the last day, and we are pretty much moving sideways. Right after the Bitcoin had a huge surge in its price, and during last 7 days, it's up for about for more than 12%, and Ethereum is also up for more than 9.65%, and it is very good gains for the entire crypto market. And I have to say that everything is showing me that we might see all-time highs for the majority of top cryptocurrencies. So let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $9.96 billion. And it has a total tradable volume during the last 24 hours of $1.32 billion, and it is a 70% decrease over last 24 hours. And I have to say that right after this massive surge in price, let me show you this data, right after this massive surge in price, Polygon is in consolidation phase, and we have to see lower volume in order to confirm this consolidation phase, because if we will see higher volume than we had in our motive movement, definitely it will indicate that we can have a trend reversal. But so far so good, we are pretty much bullish, and I show you in my technical analysis what should you expect. But for now, let's continue with the latest news, and let me show you what was the reason of recent movement. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published just 1 day ago, and it's titled Polygon Crypto, the NFT rumors that have Matic surging today. Investors are betting that Polygon will support the release of Coinbase's NFT market, and it is really huge news. Coinbase is one of the largest partners of the Polygon network. The two have forged an agreement to make Polygon the official Layer 2 solution of the exchange platform. Now it looks like Polygon will be taking on a bigger role with Coinbase's newest project. And Coinbase is planning on releasing its own NFT platform in the near future. Those on its long waitlist are expected to start receiving access to the platform later this year. Through Coinbase NFTs, users will be able to mint, buy, sell, and display their NFTs in one place. Of course, given the Coinbase exchange's size, it's not out of the question to expect the NFT platform to see huge volumes of transactions each day. This is why rumors are beginning to float about Polygon's Layer 2 scaling, underlining the coming NFT platform. Tweets wagering that Coinbase taps Polygon for its structuring cite the existing partnership between the two as evidence. Given Polygon's skill at solving scalability issues without having to ramp up transaction fees, the partnership seems to many to be a no-brainer. And definitely this news affects in a positive manner the price of Polygon, and we have this massive surge in price for more than 41 43%. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me define what was the reason of this spike and why we fell down in the golden pocket. First of all, if it is an algo trading, let me clean the chart a little bit. If it is an algo trading, this means algorithms just use swing low and swing high and use the Fibonacci retracement levels. So from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick 0.618 and 0.65 levels. But I have some doubts about this movement, because right here, what I marked with this movement was the third wave, internal third wave, and potentially this was the fifth wave. To prove or disprove this assumption, I have to pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of entire third wave to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick the level of 0.786. This means most probably this is the fifth wave, and this means we finished all 5 waves from this bottom. This was the first wave, second, this entire movement is the third one, fourth and fifth right here. And we have to project the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and that's why we have the same, exactly the same level of golden pocket, and we bounce from it to this movement to the upside. So guys, I was wrong with this assumption. It wasn't the ABC correction. I think we might have something like this. This might be our first wave, this is the second, third, fourth and truncated fifth. And the bottom of our C wave potentially might be at this level. And in this case, we might have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this movement is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth one. And in this case, everything is 100% correct. And as you can see, I made the mistakes. Nobody is perfect, but my mistakes doesn't affect your potential trades, because I assume the most possible layout for the price action, and that's why if I see some doubts with the price, I warn you not to enter certain position, and that's why you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So we know where we are now, and definitely this is the third wave, and we have this huge volume, and this volume leads to hit the price to this previous swing high, and it is very good sign that we hit it with one long, basically with couple of long candles, 4 hours candles. And let me show you that on a slightly greater scale. Well, I don't need several tools. I don't need this one, I don't need this one, and we might have something like this. This entire movement is the first wave, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and we have to land the top of our fifth wave. For now, let's put it right here. But I think we might see some price action around the levels of about $1.4 and about potentially $1.64. And this might be your accumulation point if you want to enter the position in order to have next leg to the upside, to hit our target of the fifth wave, of the top of the fifth wave. So, and let's assume these targets, and if it is the bottom of our fourth wave, we can project from the very bottom to the very top this movement, and our price targets might be right here. Let me show it to you. We might hit 0.786 level if it is the fifth wave, and it will be slightly below this previous resistance line, and this resistance line is the top of our B wave right here. Next one, we might hit the 1-to-1 extension and even 1.618 extension level if we will have more steam to hit these targets. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this asset? First of all, if you are a trader, you have to accumulate your position, and you have to be cautious, because if we will overlap this region, if we will hit the range of $1.42, it will pretty much invalidate this movement as our motive movement, and I will have to redo the entire analysis, because we cannot have a huge overlap of the fourth wave in the territory of the first one, and that's why you have to be cautious. But if you're an investor in this asset, and you already done your own due diligence, nothing can stop you to accumulate your position on every 4 hours red candle. Because the lower the price goes, the more steam it will have to gain some future targets. And these targets might be very impressive, because we might hit the level of $2.45 in the short period of time. And from our current price, we might have let me show it to you, we might have about 66% of potential profits to this level. And if we will go lower, you will have up to 85% or even more, depending on where we might land. So congratulations to all of you who took my previous call and who have this massive 44% gains within previous 10 days. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!